What is up, everybody? My name is Classified. Welcome to Brains Get Gains Contest 12. We're giving away $25 today, so be sure to activate your brains and submit your answers. Let's get into it. Just like last week, everybody, the winner today will be decided by random. You just have to make sure that you submit the correct answers. Your name will be put into the drawing, and then at random, somebody will be selected to win today's prize. This video should be posted up around 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. You'll have 24 hours to submit your answers, make your submissions. After 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time tomorrow, no more submissions will be taken. We'll do the drawing, and then we'll announce the contest's winner. All right, the topics, we'll go through them quickly. We're gonna start with current events, then we're gonna jump into math, astronomy, and then wrapping it all up is pop culture. We have reached 186 subscribers. I wanna thank you all for being here. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Keep pushing it out there. We're gonna hit 200 here pretty soon, so we're pretty pumped about that. Anyways, good luck on the questions, everyone. Take care.